What noise does a rabbit make? Written by CARRIE WESTON, illustrated by Richard BYRNE. In the still of the night, just before dawn, slowly and silently, the meadow filled with rabbits. Raggedy Tangle and his brothers and his sisters, his aunts and his uncles, all nibbled peacefully. But as the sun came up, "Cock-a-doodle-doo," trumped the rooster. "Moo," went the cows. "Neigh," said the horses. "Baa," the sheep joined in. "Oink, oink," grunted the pigs. "Meow," went the cat in search of her breakfast. "Woof, woof," barked the dog as the farmer started his tractor. "Chug, chug, bird, chug, chug," the farmer rang out with noises. Raggedy Tangle listened with his long ears and thought very hard. Just what noise does a rabbit make, he wondered. Raggedy Tangle tapped his foot and thought. Thump, thump, thumpity thump. A long way off in the tall grass, two ears perked up, a tail flickered. Two eyes blinked, whiskers twitched. The cat licked her lips. Thump, thump, thumpity thump went Raggedy Tangle. He didn't see that the other rabbits had swiftly, silently disappeared into their burrows. The cat crouched. The cat wriggled. The cat pounced. Meow hissed. Raggedy Tangle ran off for his life. Through the cow field, moo. Over the sheep pen, baa. Round the stables, neigh. Under the pigs, oink, oink. And right past the dog, woof, woof. Then, as the cat chased after Raggedy Tangle, the dog chased after the cat. Woof, meow. Followed by the cows, moo. Then the sheep, baa. The horses, neigh. The pigs, oink, oink, with the rooster flapping behind. Cock-a-doodle-doo. The angry farmer below the tractor horn, toot, toot, and everybody stopped. All that is, except for Raggedy Tangle, who quietly tucked up his tail and ran and ran and ran all the way home. Later that evening, as the sun went down and the farmyard grew quiet, slowly and silently the meadow filled with rabbits. Raggedy Tangle nibbled peacefully and wondered just why anybody would ever want to make a noise at all. The end.